All right, so we have some functions when working with tuples that you might find useful. So we'll just name a couple of them, there will be 3 to be exact. So we have the length function, which returns the length of the tuple. So let's make a tuple. We have tup1, let's say tup equals, open our parentheses, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that works. So in the length of that, we're going to say of tup. All right, and then we're going to print this out. Here we go. And you get 3 because you have 3, 1, 2, 3 elements. And we also have another function called max, which gets the max element, the greatest element of the function, the max element. So let's see that. Sorry, it gets the max element. And let's just, for safe measure, let's do this. And there you go, it gets the max element no matter where it is. We also have the min function for tuples, which gets the minimum element of the tuple, which is 2 in this case. And we can change it up. Let's make the last element 1. And there you go. So these are just some useful this is a quick tutorial to just tell you a couple of these functions. That's pretty much it.